Hello everyone, today we will learn the tricks of the 17 times table. Before going through the tricks, let's review the 17 times table. 17 times 1 is 17. 17 times 2 is 34. 17 times 3 is 51. 17 times 4 is 68. 17 times 5 is 85. 17 times 6 is 102. 17 times 7 is 119. 17 times 8 is 136. 17 times 9 is 153. And finally, 17 times 10 is 170. Now, let's go through the tricks. What we all have to do is draw out a tic-tac-toe grid table as you can see here. Then for the ones digits, write down the numbers from 1 to 10. Here we start from the top right corner and move down to the bottom and then do the same for the middle column and then for the left column also. So, here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then write a 0 outside of the box. Next, for the tens digits, write down 3 odd numbers in the first row, then 3 even numbers in the second row, and then 3 odd numbers in the third row. So here we get 1, 3, 5. The even numbers 6, 8, 10. Then the odd numbers 11, 13, 15. And then, we place 17 just before the 0, outside of the box. That's it. The work is done. Now, take a look, here is your 17 times table is ready. By using this method, you can easily memorize the 17 times table. Practice it 3 to 4 more times. It's a simple and effective learning method. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our mockstation channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss our new videos. You can also access our new video, created on the 18 times table, by clicking on this link. Thank you again and see you in the next video. Have a great day.